Welcome Berkeley County teachers. Today's tutorial will show you how to create an assignment in Compass Learning. To begin, type in your username and password provided by your school administration. Click Login. For security purposes of my students, I will be showing you the next screen without names. Notice you have a dashboard, My Students, Assignment, and Assessment. You will click on the tab Assignment. Once you have clicked on that, you will go down to the third button and click Assignment Builder. Now, once you are in your assignment builder, there are a few things that you can do. The first is you can select one of these tabs, Odyssey Curriculum, which will allow you to choose subject, your Explorer, which will again allow you to choose either English Language Arts or Math. You can select Math Intervention for students who are below grade level in Math. And in this one, once you click on Math Intervention, you will see 5th grade and 6th grade are highlighted. You can select NWEA, and you can select Language Arts or Math. These are RIT scores right here. So once you have tested your students in the fall, you can determine what assignments in the NWEA section would be appropriate for students to complete based on that strand's RIT score. The last one is Common Core. In the 2012-2013 school year, 3rd grade and K through 2 will be using Common Core mathematics. So you can select Math and select 3rd grade and select from the standard strands that you have over here. We're going to go back to Odyssey Curriculum, and we're going to select Math. I'm going to begin building my assignment. I want to select Math. I would like a 5th grade math activity, so I will click on the 5 for level and notice that it becomes yellow. If I were searching for a skill, I could enter in skill and search. But since I know what I am looking for, I would like to go to whole numbers. And I would like to look at whole numbers with place value. If I click on the blue link, it'll show me the different activities that students can complete. It also has quizzes for them to finish after they have completed the lesson. To select these to assign to students, you will need to check off the button under Select. Prior to assigning these, you can click on the blue highlighted hyperlink, and it will open up the activity so that you can preview before completing your assessment to see if it's something you would like to assign to your students. If it is, you can keep the check. If you decide that this is not appropriate for your students, to uncheck it, go to where you have it checked and unclick. You also have over here 2 tabs. If you click on this Student tab, you will notice that it will open up a PDF that you can then assign as homework. This can also be used as a class work activity. The L is for the teacher, and the L gives you the answers. So I'm going to select that my students do lesson, whole numbers with place value. I'm going to check all of the selected ones, and then I'm going to go down to the left-hand corner and select Add Selected Tasks. The next page that comes up asks you what order you would like the students to complete these in. Since I had selected all of those activities from that standard, I'm going to leave them in the order they have provided. If I would like to change the order, I simply click in the number and type in the next number I would like it to be. I'm going to go back to putting it at 1. If this is all I would like to assign to my students, I'm going to go to Complete Assignment. If there are additional activities that I would like for my student to complete, I will go back to Add Curriculum. This will take me back to the Odyssey Curriculum Math and the different strands. Once I have completed selecting all activities I would like to assign to my students, I will then go back to the lower left-hand corner and click Add Selected Tasks. Once I have done that, it continues the numbering after the last one that I have completed. Now that I am finished assigning tasks, I'm going to complete the assignment by clicking Complete Assignment located at the bottom of the activities. A new screen will pop up. It says Assignment Name, gives your name, what grade the math is, and a code number. The availability just says that this will be under Students My Assignments. The subject will be math and the level will be 5th grade. Assignment order. You can have students go in sequential order of what you have assigned, or they can select which task to complete, which would not put them in order. I do not recommend self-select because students may just choose to complete the quizzes and not the lessons. The best recommended is auto launch, which means before a student can complete any other activities, it will auto launch the ones that you have assigned. Below you have Apply Assignment Order to all folders. We're going to click Yes. We're going to click Suppress Duplicate Activities, which means if there's anything that is the same, it's not going to make them do it again. Yes. Show Resources. I'm going to go ahead and click Yes. Your draft mode, no. Show Odyssey Writer, no. And show the toolkit, no. Do I want to assign this to students now? Yes. I will click Next. I will select Travers Grade 3. This will assign it to all my students in my class. If I wanted to select only certain students, I would click this button right here, the plus sign, located next to the little people, and the students' names would drop down. I can then select only students that I would like to complete the task. This is effective when completing math grouping or math groups. I'm going to select my whole class and click Finish. Thank you for watching the tutorial on Assignment Builder in Compass Learning.